candy cane flavored Twinkies versus Twinkies. Who wins?
Hello, welcome to another dynamic DIY Diva video, and today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to taste all things Twinkies. We want to see if the actual candy cane tastes like the original Twinkies.
Yep.
Do you remember a couple of years ago Twinkies were like gone and people were spending crazy amount of money for Twinkies? Now you could just run to the local store and just pick them up. So anyway, we're going to do this and hope you're having a great holiday season. And so this is our last candy cane for the month and the season. All right, so what should we do first, Tank?
So I think first off, we need to try the classic Twinkie. You know, to compare them to the candy cane version, you need to have the original.
Yeah, just in case we completely forgot. Oops.
I haven't had a Twinkie in ages, so this is gonna be good.
Ooh,
See, the classes
Twinkie.
host this Twinkie. Looks so delicious, maybe?
So we're tasting an actual Twinkie, not going from memory. We're going to try it now.
Yes.
Get that taste in our minds, and then we're going to try the actual, and try the candy cane to see if they match up. All right? Can't even tell you when the last time I had a Twinkie.
Well, it's now.
But gosh, I don't know. It seems salty. Sweet.
I don't know what you're talking about, but these are good.
Yum.
From a scale of 1 to 4, definitely a 4. Now let's try the Twinkie candy cane.
Okay, now that I have that in my mouth, we're going to see if actual candy cane tastes like this. Let me see.
I don't know how they will be able to, but
Wow, a serving for a Twinkie? 2 of these for 280 calories. Alright, anyway, let's get to it.
so here we have the Twinkie candy canes. Total of 6.
How many calories?
One cane has 60 calories. Let's try this.
Cheers.
That's nasty.
You know, it has a taste of like coconut. And I like coconut. Eating the Twinkie, then trying the Twinkie candy cane, they don't taste very much the same. If someone were to say this was, I don't know, like coconut, yeah, this works for a coconut, but for Twinkie flavor, I don't think so.
Now let's try the Twinkie candy cane dipped in a Twinkie. Like that.
They're recommending this combo.
Oh yeah, that gives a good taste. Most definitely.
I'm telling you, these Gen Zers, they really do know how to mix and match it all. This thing is hot. Well, that's a comparison.
If you do get these, make sure to also get normal Twinkies and mix them.
All right, that's what you hear from there. For those of you who are maybe not into trying to court a disease, I would say get these if you see it, the Twinkies.
I'd say don't get them.
But keep in mind, it won't taste like a Twinkie. It tastes like I said, it really does taste like coconut. And I love coconuts. Would you get it on a scale of 1 to 4? Would you get these?
These candy canes on a scale of 1 to 4, I give them a 1.
I can see that.
They're too chewy.
You know what? I think when your candy cane is chewy, it means it was sitting on the shelf a little long. But yeah, it does have that. But you know what? I have to honestly say it has a good taste. It does have a good taste. So
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. All those. See ya. See ya! Oh! Hello!
Happy New Year, everyone.
See ya!